How should you be repairing today's sophisticated vehicles? We're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by ProFirst. Visit our websites for more information.
Assumptions and guesses on how to repair a vehicle have no place in a collision repair facility today. Vehicles today feature exotic metals and a lot of electronics, so therefore it is critical that repairers look up OE repair procedures during the blueprinting process before the repair begins and repair the vehicle according to OE requirements. But it's not as simple as looking up OE repair procedures. Do you have the proper equipment? Is that equipment maintained on a regular basis? Do your technicians have the proper training? Will a proper repair take longer than an improper repair where you do not follow OE repair procedures and take shortcuts? Possibly. Will that negatively impact your cycle time? It very well could. But this is where the customer and insurer have to be educated on more realistic timeframes when delivering the car back to the customer. The cars today are not the cars of the past. And in order to ensure that the vehicle is returned to pre-accident condition, structurally sound with all advanced driver assistance systems functioning properly, the proper steps must be taken regardless of how long they take. This ensures the safety of the customer and their family, and also shields the collision repair facility owner, their employees, and family from potential liability. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.